Alright guys, I'm gonna wash my car, my BMW 535i. I'm gonna sit here and then I'm gonna video me washing the car step through step, what I do. I'm not gonna be talking much because I want to get it done. I don't want this thing to rack up my credit card because it racks it up like 30 bucks every time. So just follow through the steps. I'll take it very slowly. What I do, I just wash the car. I don't care about my wheels until I get home. That's when I do the wheel process, because there's nothing really here that I can do. But yeah guys, go ahead and follow these steps and use them. I don't like to use that brush right there because it scratches the car, so I'll pre-soak it, I'll use soap, then I'll wash it, so step by step. So just go ahead and follow these steps and yeah. Alright, so that's how I wash my car. So basically what I did, I'll explain a little brief. Let's get a little warm start here after the car wash. Well, let's roll the windows down first. Both windows down. Alright, let's get a warm start after the car wash. Oh yeah. After doing the car wash, I'll explain here just a few things that I did. Let me turn this air conditioning off. So what I did was I used the pre-soak, which lets all the bugs and all the dirt come off really easily. I let that soak for probably about 2 minutes while I go around the car and continue to spray. After that, I will use the soap to go over another layer with the pre-soak, which I'll soap the car down really good. I'm not really messing with the wheels, I'm just doing the car. After that, I will go with a clear coat, which is a wax that you don't apply on. Basically, it just makes the water and soap come off easier, and it makes it where dirt later on doesn't apply on as more compacted as it is. So that's what I do. I do the pre-soak, the soap, and then the clear coat, and then I'll rinse it all off. Not trying to get all the clear coat off, but I'll rinse it off to get the soap off and some of the clear coat off. But after that, I will get in the car, and I'm not going to dry the car. I'm going to let the wind do that and take care of it, and then I'll dry it once I get home.